好，就清洁干净之后把它装上去。
After clean, you need to assemble this part again.
就是这个有高压包的面上这边。
And this high pressure package to this side.
轻轻的左右摇晃把它放进去。
And shake left and right gently. Then you can put back this part.
注意检查不要压到线。
And you need to be careful and do not press these lines.
收紧。
Tighten the screw. Then put the main board back.
就是要面上用这个线这样缠。
Cross this line to this part.
装完这里面装到这边。装完这个。装到这边。要装这个电极的线，电极的线就是上面电极接上面的口，上面电极接上面的口。
And this is the motor line and the bottom line to bottom connector, the up line to up connector.
注意垂直的压下去，不要把这个插针搞歪。
You need to put like this way, do not like this or this.
这边也是一样。插到上面，上面有一个黑色外皮的这个线是最外边的，是最外边的入口。
And there is a black line. Is for this outside connector.
然后剩下是这两根，就看了位置插。好，是这边白路。好，然后是先把这个插回去。好，然后插完之后这边对准位置。
Then put this part back.
要拿一个镊子轻轻这样掐，这个手往上摁。
And you need to put your finger press under the tool.
等它插到位置就 OK 了。OK， 然后把这个线塞回去，塞进去。
Then keep all the lines inside.
收紧这两个螺丝。
Tighten these two screws.
这个也不收了。好，收紧之后检查这线，全部压回去。好，确定没有线在外面之后，就把它底座装回去。
Then put back the bottom part.
好，收紧这4口就好了。
Then tighten these two screws.